Hi there, students. A louse. One louse, two lice. A noun, countable noun. To louse up, phrasal verb. And lousy as an adjective, and I guess even lousily as an adverb. So notice the S goes to Z in the adjective. So a louse. Well, head lice are these little insects that get into your hair, and they can be very difficult to get out. I'd call them nits. Yeah, in English, British English, they often call them nits. Okay, so a louse, it's this little insect. But we very often use this word a louse to insult somebody. This guy is a louse. Yeah, he's untrustworthy. Yeah, he's a contemptible person. He's always tricking people. But more commonly, we use this lousy as an adjective. I guess lousy would be full of lice, full of the insects. But we use this word lousy to mean bad, very bad. So, the weather was lousy. Yeah, my exam results was rather lousy. So, lousy. Repulsive, horrible. This is a lousy trick that you paid on me. I got a lousy mark in my exam. Inferior, not very good. Boof, I feel a bit lousy. Yeah, I don't feel very well. And then also lousy with, full of. So this area is lousy with tourists during the summer, but during the winter it's actually rather nice. So, lousy. It's bad quality, you don't like it. Yeah, don't go to that restaurant. They serve lousy food. Yeah, he's a lousy football player. Yeah, why do we always seem to get lousy politicians? So bad quality, not good, contemptible. Yeah, a lousy trick. That was it's lousy quality, inferior quality. I'm feeling rather lousy. Bleh. Lousy with. So the family is lousy with money. They've got an abundant amount of it. Okay, so let's see. Formality. Well, a louse, two lice, five in formality. It is what it is, yeah? And then all of these insults, if you call somebody a louse, three in formality, but it's probably a bit old-fashioned. Lousy as an adjective, again 3.5 in formality. I think lousy is probably more common in the US than the UK, but I don't think there's any problem in using it in the UK. And lousy with, lousy grades, lousy weather, lousy food. This is all informal, so use it informally. Informal conversation. Semi-formal conversation, maybe just, but it's definitely on the informal side. So, lousy, crappy, yeah, bad quality, shoddy, awful, not much cop, yeah, rather rotten, second rate, yeah, something that's pretty horrible. So, what about the origin? Well, this comes from this word a louse, from Proto-Germanic lus, meaning a louse, which actually comes from Proto-Indo-European lue, meaning a louse. So I think lice have been around for a very long time. Okay, so A louse, head lice, nits. He's a louse, he's a contemptible person. This is lousy, it's rotten, it's not very good, lousy quality. So I hope it wasn't a lousy video. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Louse, lice, lousy.